how we are getting results with ClickBank affiliate marketing and Google pay-per-click ads in 2026, and how you can do it even if you are a beginner. Now, as you can see over here on my screen, right? I'm in my dashboard on ClickBank, and you can see this is one of my newest accounts. I promote different products, digital and physical products. And as you can see, this is all for the digital products test. So I was testing out. This is one of my accounts. I have multiple accounts for different niche. And as you can see, those are the results. Now, how you can replicate that and duplicate it is the most important question, right? As you can see over here, let me show you what is the difference, okay? I know that every guru online is talking about affiliate marketing being very profitable, okay? But they never tell you exactly how you can do it. So let me show you this, okay? There are two types of clickers or clicks online. Curiosity clickers and buyers clicks. As an affiliate, you are only interested in buyers clicks, of course, because you want the most money returned on your investment, on your ad spend, okay? But no one is telling you how this actually in practice, in action, not theory, but action works. So let me show you here in these 5 minutes, okay? You can see we have buyers intent clicks, meaning people who are already actively searching for the solutions. They have pain, they have problem, okay? But they don't know you exist. They don't know that there is a solution for them out there. So they search on Google with a keyword and find different type of ads. Now, if you did your job correctly as an affiliate, like we do with super affiliates, for making thousands of dollars a day, you will be able to get these kind of results. All right. So let me show you how this works in practice. As you can see over here, right? Let's say we are in manifestation self-help niche. Okay. People typing in Google search how to manifest happiness, I don't know, wealth, financial success, how to lose weight, whatever, right? So they are already in solution seeking state. All right. We have different type of funnel awareness levels. So it's very important because this is all about psychology of ads. Okay. If you're a newbie, maybe you think, heck, I'm going to buy $3,000 for a $3,000 course from some guru on ClickBank. And they told me to use the template and I'm going to be successful, which is not true. It's usually BS, right? What actually works is knowing exactly what type of psychology you have to apply to different market awareness levels. Okay? You have different people. You have sophistication level of people who are already problem aware. Some are totally unaware. Some are already solution aware. So you have to know what kind of message to put to have the right message to the market match. Okay? As you can see over here, we send them to the step 2. They see your Google ad. They click on your pre-sale page or quiz funnel, and then they buy the product. Now let me show you this. Why quiz funnels? Okay, because if you do quiz correctly, like we show you one-on-one over the Zoom call, then this quiz make them feel like the quiz understands them better than they can understand themselves. So they find new discovery of a product. Okay, so that's very important. That's very important if you want maximum success, maximum results, earning per click when you're running traffic. Okay, now what is the new structure in 2026? And if you skip this funnel, okay, this structure, you will actually sound like every other weight loss or manifestation funnel or any other ad that you see that doesn't get the results, okay? You will get ignored instantly and you will convert like trash, which you don't want, I'm sure, right? So you want results in 2026. That's why it's very important to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, by hand holding you and give you not just the funnel, but also positioning angles, build for you the core mechanism and market sophistication levels. But this is very important. That's what make a difference between someone who is a newbie, someone who is losing money on ClickBank, and someone who is making consistent ROIs, consistent profits. Okay, that's very important. Now you can see we send 500 buyers clicks to your affiliate link, and those are the kind of results you can get, right? Promoting different products with great upsell take rate, of course. Now you can see over here, all it takes is 3 easy steps. Okay, first step is we pick profitable ClickBank offer that's proven to convert with a great upsell take rate that we know it already converting. Okay, that's hot, proven to work. And then step 2 is we plug in a simple page that's actually done to the point with psychological, emotional levels applied to it. Okay, you can have one person who doesn't understand market awareness levels, who doesn't understand emotional levels, who doesn't understand anything. They only understand, oh, I want to have a template or landing page and I'm going to send traffic. And then they wonder, heck, is this a scam? It doesn't work. No, they don't understand what they don't understand, right? You don't know what you don't know. But once you do know, once you have someone to help you one-on-one, step by step, then heck, you realize it's not that hard, right? It's not, because you see the bigger image. You step back, you see the bigger image, you get $100 commissions on ClickBank, you get $500 in a day. Heck, then light bulb goes off in your brain. And then you realize, heck, this is how they are making money online, right? So you can see, here are what people just like you watching this video are already doing daily with this system. You can see, right? We get it done one-on-one over the Zoom call, as you can see over here. I prefer this because we can personally help you to set up everything, and it's much more quicker and faster than just sitting at home and watching some videos, right? For 8 weeks in some outdated course that used to work last year in 2025, but now it's 2026. And you have to understand, people awareness levels is changing constantly. Yes, so that's how we do it, okay? One-on-one. Now, thanks to affiliate marketing, I was actually able to travel to 70 countries now. So you can see on my YouTube, on my Instagram, on my Facebook, my emails, I always share when I travel all around the world. That's my passion, and this can happen as well for you. I don't know what your goal is. Maybe to take care of your family, your kids, your spouse, your parents, yourself, I don't know. To give yourself a chance, to give yourself a gift in 2026 of making extra money online. Okay, you don't have to quit your 9 to 5. If you have at least 20 to 30 minutes a day, yes, you can do it. It's still possible to do it in 2026. Okay? And if you already knew how to make money, you wouldn't be watching this video. But you don't, and it's not your fault. And the reason you don't know how to make it yet is because you never had someone who can actually help you one-on-one, step by step, by giving you exact core principle of marketing, of psychology, and giving you that, installing this system and deploying it with the right buyers intent traffic in 2026. So as you watch this video right now, if you're someone who is a smart person, who want more in 2026, okay, then let me know. There is my Instagram, there is my WhatsApp number, my email, and also my Facebook Messenger where you can connect with me one-on-one. But only, please, only reach out if you're a serious person, if you're an action taker, okay, if you have some money to invest in yourself to actually get results in 2026, all right? Because the smart people are action takers. They're not the ones who are whining, procrastinating. They're actually smart ones who are taking action, getting results, and fast forward the self, okay? Because the cheapest and easiest way to get results in 2026 online is by having someone show you one-on-one, step by step, and hand holding you along the way to get actual results and move forward.